So here we go. I don't know that you can see it. This is the headlight that we did not too long ago, and it's fogged up. Let me see if I can turn that off. I don't know if you can see the fog in there, but had a couple people respond. One guy actually said bug spray works just as good. So we're going to give it a shot and see how it goes. This is just Cutter bug spray. Spray it on. Wipe it off. You guys saw how foggy it was. You can already see that it's starting to lighten up quite a bit. You'll see that right there. I don't know if that's oxidation or just dirt, but it really had. This car hasn't moved in a week, as we had to redo a brake caliper. So let me show you this. Actually, it looks pretty good, and that's what was pulled off of it. I'm gonna go to the other side. Let's hit that again real quick. See how it goes. Wipe it in. Again, we're getting that. I don't know if that's oxidation or just bug spray. Regardless, that looks way better. I don't know if you guys can see it. I certainly can. And let's go to the other side, the passenger side. See how it fares against the good old WD-40. It's a little more than I put on last time. Let's go wipe it in. Which I'm kind of liking. The bug spray. I mean, look at that right there. That is not a dirty rag at all. But they both are kind of doing the same thing. I don't know if you can see that. It was foggy. Not anymore. So we did this a couple weeks ago, and they fogged right back up again, and the car realistically has been sitting here for a while, as we've had to replace brakes and so on and so forth. Yeah, so there you have it. Bug spray, WD-40. They both seem to work pretty good. I'm actually, to be honest with you, I'm kind of liking the bug spray. That's what we used right here. Anyways, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you got this far, we appreciate the time. Have a good night.